Hello Andy, good evening. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Praveen from Sri Balaji Jewelers, and we wish health, wealth, peace and prosperity to all of you. And as we have been getting every time some new collections, ee roju meeku Nakshilo koncham super collections unnai. So as you know, Sri Balaji is famous for a very beautiful word which is the keto diet. ఎక్కువ కనిపించాలా కానీ వెయిట్ తక్కువ ఉండాలా. That is the basic focus of the store, and all the gold is 22 karat hallmark, and we thank you so much for supporting us throughout the whole time by sending us queries, by buying, and we are very happy with the way the business is going on, and we promise to deliver more and more to you. So now let us see what we have in store today in our new Nakshi collection. Right, so let us just have a look. This is a very beautiful Nakshi pendant andi. As you can see, the features of the Ammavaru very beautifully crafted with nice keshi pearls below. Paina you can put a South Sea mala or you can put a Gundlu mala. We have it ready in stock for you to move on. Can you just focus on the other one also? So this is again a very nice Lakshmi Devi pendant. Again, the beauty is the features andi. It's very intricately crafted. You can see the make is fantastic. So anybody is looking for the traditional Nakshi collection, it is super class, right? So you can see one more pendant. Now this is again with a little bit of CZ. Again the Lakshmi Devi, because the new year we want to start with Lakshmi Devi. Andaru endante Lakshmi Devi kani maaku meere Lakshmi Devi andi. So that's the fact. You can see now this is a very beautiful pendant which is a rotatable pendant. So this comes like this, and then you can just rotate this. So backside inkoka design undi. As you can see that this flips. So it's a flip pendant, and one side we have the Lakshmi Devi, the other side we have the CZ work. Very beautifully done, as you can see that. And all these are like 20 to 25 30 grams andi. This is just 18.8 grams gross and 16.85 net. So very beautifully done, as you can see that. Right, so kindly send us all your queries for that. And now you can see this is something very beautiful again, the Ammavaru Haram. Welcome, we have a very nice audience. Welcome you all, Anusha, Hemaka, Soumya, Siva, Ambika, Geeta, all of you. Thank you so much for joining us. Now this is the Bottu Mala come Mango Mala. As you can see the Nakshi, very beautifully done. And it is a Vaddanam come Haram andi. So it is also a haram, and 110 grams. So people who are looking for a bridal collection, this is one of the fantastic. Hi Anuradha Garu, welcome. Sindri, welcome. Shravana, welcome. Deepa, welcome. Hi Deepa ji, nice to see you. So we have a lot of people joining in from America also. Maunika, Ritika, Riddhi, welcome all of you. And this is again a very nice mango haram, as you can see. This is again a super hit. Usha ji, welcome. Ujjwala, nice to see all of you coming in for the new year. So this is just 75 grams andi. All the stone weight is deducted, and very beautiful make, as you can see. Hi bhai, thank you Deepa ji, thank you. All of you are our strength. Hi Ramya, Pravalika, welcome. So this is the 5-in-1. It can be used as a long haram, jada, vaddanam, pendant, tika. So the options are what makes Balaji special andi. Plus your support. Saiti, welcome. Hi Kavya, nice to hear from you all. Hello Komal. So all our very nice customers who have supported, a happy new year. Divya, thank you so much. Saravana. Now this is again an amazing set, and with me is Raju, who takes care of all our photography session. He is one person who has always been working hard on the photography, and when we send you the pictures, he is the man behind the screen. Raju, can you tell hello to everybody?
Hello everyone.
So our Raju garu endante eppudaina photography lo is master andi. So this is again a very light weight we have done, 67 grams andi. So grand. Hi Swati, Bhavana, welcome. And this is a Bottu Mala. Raju, what is the weight of this Bottu Mala? Again a very light weight.
This Bottu Mala is net weight 65 grams.
Only 65 grams andi. So very light we have done. Manasa, Gayatri, Namrata, welcome. So these are all the Nakshi collections, as you can see, very beautifully crafted and done. And again a very nice Lakshmi Devi Haram. Aishwarya, welcome. Rajeshwari Garu, welcome. So this is again a very beautiful, as you can see, a very grand Haram. Spandana, Shweta, Shruti, welcome to all of you. Manasa, welcome. Now this is again a very hit. So you can see the make, the peacock. Can you be able to post to USA? Yes, we ship to USA. You can contact me on WhatsApp. Hi Shruti, welcome. So this is also very beautiful, Andy, and very lightweight. These are like 55-60 grams. No earrings. We do have earrings. I am showing you, Shruti. Yeah, so this is again 55 to 60 grams. And as we move, now this is the Lakshmi Devi Dhamaka. As you can see, all the beautiful Lakshmi Devis. Swapna ji says, nice Lakshmi Haram. Thank you so much. Priyanka, thank you, thank you. Sneha, Mayuri, all of you, welcome. So very beautiful, Andy. And you put it on the neck, your whole neck gets filled up. And very nice, all the Amavaru designs. Mayuri, welcome. Alekhya, welcome. Now you can see this is again our repeat item. Hi Rashmi, thank you so much. So this is always in demand, Andy. అంటే మా దగ్గర కొన్ని డైలాగ్స్ బాగా హిట్ ఉంటాయి. ఇది కూడా ఒక హిట్ డైలాగ్, పుట్టిన ముందు పెళ్ళి. సో వస్తుంది వెళ్తుందండి, వస్తుంది వెళ్తుంది. This is again a very very lightweight we have done, which is just 40 grams, Andy. So a long bottumala in just 40 grams is a dream. So very beautifully done. And then you have again please show some lightweight chokers. I have a lot of lightweight collection. We'll do a video tomorrow. Weight of Lakshmi necklace around 50 grams. So these are all very light. This is like 40 grams. Choker weight, choker is 1 second 50 grams, and 51 grams is the net weight of the choker. It's very beautiful. Namrata, all the details I will give you on WhatsApp. How much is the making charge for Bottu Mala? Spandana, it is 4,000 rupees making charges totally. And now this is a choker, again double side. You can see the twist. It's a flip one again. It flips. One side is Amavaru, one side is the design. So very beautiful chokers, Andy. These are, even this is like 14 to 15 grams. So very light. I have been to the store recently. Felt the staff was least interested to show any pieces. Oh, Alekhya, if that is the case, please let me know. That should not be the case, because we are running because we show. So I'm sorry if it has happened, and we'll see that it's done perfectly. So this is again a very lightweight.
16 grams.
16 grams. This is again the flip one. Kanti unnai upala. We have a lot of kantis. This is again a Nakshi, and this is our hit. Can you get that mango here? Mango is again our very super duper hit. This is also always in demand because of the weight. Will the live be saved? Yes, the live is always saved on Insta, so you can again go back and see it. Bindu and 3 others joined. Welcome. Please show harams. Radhika, already we have shown. You can go back to the video recording and see. Then we have buttas. As you can see, the mango mala is just 42 grams net, 42.77. This is again our hot seller. Manogna, welcome. Deepika, welcome. Weight is 42 grams net. Now this is again a new arrival in the Mahanati tops. Very beautiful. Again a Mahanati tops and the butta. Very beautiful. These are all our very hot sellers. But one request is, the manufacturing is one piece, but we get inquiries like 20, 30, 40, and it's always a first come first serve basis. So please don't take me wrong if we are not able to serve you at that speed, because it's always a first come first serve basis. So you can see these buttas, very beautifully crafted, single, double, triple. They're all from 15 to 30 grams. So we have all the butta collection that is going on. Can you show some designs in budget of 2 to 3 lakhs? Weight of all of them. Bhavya, you can contact us and surely we will give you the weights. Okay, so these are the basic collections. I'll just run you through again for people who have just joined. So this is the whole collection today, as you can see. So that's how, and these are the harams, very beautiful buttas. Thank you Manogna. వేసుకుంటే ఇంకా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎందుకంటే ఫర్ సౌత్ ఇండియా ఐఎమ్ షూర్ విత్ ద పట్టు చీరా అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ మచ్ మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. Can you please show the jada and haram combo? This is the jada and haram combo andi. It's 110 grams, very beautiful, lovely collection. Thank you Janvi, thank you so much. And we have a lot of ultralight collection. We will be doing a live tomorrow again with the ultralight. We have huge stocks in ultralight and people have appreciated it very strongly. So one second, can you just yeah, so thank you so much Andy. And in the new year we promise to deliver much more beautiful designs. And my son Kunj is missing today with me because he's gone for a trek and he is back. So from the next live he will be there with us. So he's been the person behind a lot of designing, weight and trying to do something new for all of you. He's very passionate at the age of 19 to deliver more and more to you. So Sri Balaji, since 1956 all our jewelry is 100% government certified today. We have reached a level wherein every piece is 100% BIS hallmark, and we are very transparent in our pricing, and we are always there for you. So మీ ఇంట్లో ఈ సంవత్సరాలు 2022లో లాట్ ఆఫ్ బంగారం, అండ్ నాట్ జస్ట్ బంగారం అండి, బంగారం తోటి సుఖ్ సమృద్ధి మీ ఇంట్లో రావాలని ఒక మా విషెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో హ్యావ్ అ గ్రేట్ ఇయర్ అహెడ్. కీప్ షాపింగ్ and keep connecting to us on 9000 30 30 30. That's my number, and my son also is there, but he will come in the next session from tomorrow. So have a great day. Thank you so much.